Hello everyone, so welcome back to another video. So in this video we will be seeing a very interesting question which was asked in Make My Trip front-end interview round. So the question says we have to build a 3x3 grid of light cells where you can click on cells and activate them, turning them green, and once all cells have been deactivated, they should be deactivated back to original in the order in they were clicked in 300 millisecond interval. So I will show you what it will look like basically. So this is what we have to make. This is the UI and this is the grids basically, and whenever when we start clicking on it, it will turn green, right? And till when we click on the last cell, it will the boxes, all our boxes are clicked green, it will go it will deactivate in the order in which they were clicked. Okay, so once I click on the last, it will go to deactivate mode in the order in which they were clicked. I can click on anything and it will deactivate in the same order in which it was clicked. So basically this was the question we have to make. All right, so what I did is I have made a code sandbox, and we will start doing this step by step. So first of all, what I need to do is to make this UI. Okay, the first step is to make this UI. What I will do is I will remove this. I will just first of all what I will do is I will make a parent container to take all the boxes. I will name it box container. Okay, and in the box container, what we have 9 boxes, right? So what I will do is what I will do is I will make 9 boxes. Okay, I will make 9 boxes. In every box I will give something. I will give the box name, class name as box. Okay, what I will do, I will make it 9 times. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. One more time I will copy paste, and now I have all the boxes. What I will do is quickly give the CSS to it, styles.css. I will remove this app. So basically what I have to do is first I will give 1 1 1 to all the boxes. So that I can see it on UI, nothing else. Okay, I have seen 1 1 1 1 on the UI. What I will do is I have to make the box container as grid, so that what happens inside all the parent, if it is a grid, all the elements inside it will be a grid. Okay, so what I will do is dot display. I will make it as a grid, and what I will do is on one row I will keep 3 columns, 3 boxes in one row. Okay, so I will use grid template columns. What it does basically, it will you can specify how many columns you want in a row. Okay, so I will do repeat 3, and what I will do is keep all the boxes as auto. Okay, see, it came in one line. Okay, this is what we want. Now what we do is we will give this box height and width. Height I will give 60 pixel maybe, width I will give 60 pixel, and border 1 pixel solid black. Now we can see that the boxes are there. We just remove this 1 1 1 from all the boxes. We don't want this. We were just written it to identify the UI. We don't need it. Now what we want to do is it's coming the space in between, right? So we can do justify center, justify content center. We can do it, will come in between. Okay, one more thing we can do is we have to make a gap between them. We'll give gap of 15 pixel. Close it. Yeah, it took the gap. Now it seems very clear now. So So basically UI is done, we have made the UI. Now it's time for the functionality. Okay, so what I will do, I will make an array of boxes. Basically what I will do, const boxes set boxes. Okay, I will be having a separate like I will make a use state. It will be an array of objects. Every object will represent a box. Okay, so is clicked, I will give false, and one more property I will give is box, whether it is a box or not. So I will give it as true. Okay, now what I will do is I just copy paste all these things for now. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2, 3. I'm just making an array of objects. I will render it, nothing else. I'll just render it. First I'm creating that. I'll give it as id 9, and is clicked will be false, right? Initially the is clicked will be false, and in the box what I want is, I don't want first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. I don't want the fifth and sixth box, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. I will give it as a false for now. It's not a box. Okay, and based on that I will render it. Okay, now I think it's done. What we have to do, like I need to render this. I will remove all the boxes because I just need to render it. Okay, what I will do is boxes dot map box. What I will do is return a div class name equal to box. Okay, what I did is return the class name equal to box. So if I refresh it, yeah, we can see that the boxes are like rendered 9 times. Okay, what I need to do is, what I will do is box dot is box. If it is box, then we have to render this div. If it is box, right, I will return this, return box. अगर इस box है तो हम क्या करेंगे, div वो कर देंगे, else क्या करेंगे अपन, सॉरी, else अपन एक empty span कर देंगे, nothing else, empty span. ठीक है, फॉर्मेट डॉक्यूमेंट करता हूँ मैं, कुछ इश्यू है यहाँ पर, div class name equal to box. ओके, फॉर्मेट डॉक्यूमेंट कर लेता हूँ मैं. ओके, सॉरी, नाउ इट सीम्स गुड. फॉर्मेट डॉक्यूमेंट किया, ठीक है. अभी मैं देख सकता हूँ कि अगर मैंने क्या किया कि कंडीशनली रेंडर किया, अगर बॉक्स डॉट इस बॉक्स है, अगर मेरे को वो उधर पे बॉक्स रखना है, ठीक है. इफ यू वांट टू लाइक रेंडर द बॉक्स, वी विल रेंडर द बॉक्स, एल्स वी विल रेंडर जस्ट अ एम्प्टी स्पैन, राइट. एंड आई विल ऑल्सो गिव अ की प्रॉप. ओके, तो की क्या रहेगा, बॉक्स डॉट आई डी इट विल बी. ओके, की विल बी बॉक्स डॉट आई डी. एंड नाउ what I want to do is I will just like go step by step. Now I will do is, when I click on the boxes, it should turn green. Okay, for that I need to apply a click handler, right? So what I will do is apply on click, and I will give it a handle click, and I will pass the box dot id to it. Okay, now I will make the function handle click. I will take the id. What I want to do is like I just want to take the id, find the id in the array of objects, and make is clicked property to true. Okay, so I will do is set boxes, previous boxes. I will take previous boxes. I will return previous boxes dot map item. I will do is if item dot I will loop and check if item dot id equal to id. If it is true, what I will do is I will make a new item and I will make is clicked. I will just make the property to true. Okay, I'll just make the is clicked to not of item dot is clicked. Okay, else if it doesn't found, just keep the item as it is. Format document. This is what we want to do. And now what I will do is I will apply a style. What I will do is box dot is clicked agar true hai. If it is clicked, then first I will to do background color, right? Background color. So box dot is clicked, then I will give it as green, else nothing. Okay, I will format the document. Now I should test it. Yeah, now click on the cells, it is turning green. Okay, this is what I want. The next step is what I will do is I need to make sure that I keep track of the cells, like what box I clicked. Suppose if I clicked on this and this, I need to keep a track that I first clicked on index 2, then index 9, something like that. So for keeping a track, I will make a array. Okay, I will push like all the like whenever I click something, I will push it in the array. So I will make it clicked order and set clicked order. Okay, I'll make this state variable like, okay, and it will be a empty array. And before making like handle clicking, what I will do is I will just set clicked order. What I will do is previous order, what I will do is return previous order comma this id. Okay, what I did is I have stored it in the clicked order basically. So whenever I will click, it will get in the clicked order. And one more thing I want to do is I have to check whether if the clicked id is like user should not click the same box again. If it is already green, it should not click, and it should like basically like if I click on the same thing, like nothing should be happened. So to make sure, what I will do is set clicked order previous order. What I will do is I will const dated order equal to previous order. So basically I am doing is if updated order dot includes, if it includes the id. Okay, if already includes, or else we can do if doesn't includes. If updated order doesn't includes the id, then we have to push updated order dot push dot id. Okay, something like this. We have to do this. Okay, we have to do this so that duplicates are not stored. Okay, and one more thing is when our as soon as we push, we have to check if no, we'll check here only. What we have to do is we have to check if updated order dot length has reached, if like if we have clicked all the boxes like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, if like on any point, if all the 7 boxes are clicked, then we have to immediately return, and like we will run a use effect where it will deactivate all the cells. So we are just checking if updated order dot length equal to what, equal to boxes dot filter. Okay, boxes dot filter box, and what I will do is box dot is box. Okay, whatever is box is, I want to get the length of it. Okay, if updated dot length equal to, what I will do is set deactivate. Set deactivate should be true. I will make a state variable const activate comma set deactivate. Okay, equal to use state, initially it will be false. Okay, I am deactivating it to true, right? So this is all is what I want for now, and yeah, I will check now I will make a use effect now, and in the use effect, what I will give first, what I want to do is basically I want is, like, what is the issue here? Do I need to take one more? Maybe. What's the issue here? Yeah, it's there. Sorry. Use effect, what I want to do in use effect is, once all the cells have been clicked, okay, and we are deactivating, so if deactivate, we check if deactivate is true. Okay, then what we will do, we will run an interval, right? We will run an interval. What interval does is, in 300 millisecond it will one by one deactivate. Okay, and I will just give it a timer. Okay, format document. Okay, so basically what I want to do is, in the set timer, what I want to do is, I want to set boxes, like I want to set it to false basically. Okay, previous state and all the things, I will do the same things. I will keep it for later now. Okay, what I want to do is, and one more thing I will do is, like, basically what I want to do is, I will deactivate the cells in the order in which they were clicked. So basically what I will do is, I will take the clicked order, and in that order, like clicked order array, I will take one by one items and like find the items in the boxes array, whether it matches, and then deactivate it. Basically what I will do is, I will just make a counter. Okay, counter equal to 0. Okay, and what I do is, previous state dot map item, and what I will do is, item dot id, I had to return also, here also I have to return. If item dot id equal to clicked order, see here, the main thing here comes as clicked order counter. Basically what I am doing is, now the counter will store, suppose I have clicked on this third, so first item in the counter is third index. Okay, so basically what it will do is, clicked order and counter, so it will access the third element in the array. Okay, and it will just check like if item dot id, like it will map through, and it will make the third element turn deactivate. Basically it will make it false. Okay, if it is true, what I will do, I will just destructure the item and make is clicked to false, so it will deactivate, else we have to keep the item as it is. Okay, else we have to keep the item as it is. And one more thing we have to do is, what we will do, we will just increase the counter. Okay, on every iteration we have to increase the counter, so I will do counter plus plus. Okay, I will increase the counter. One more thing we have to do is, we have to check whether counter should be less than clicked order dot length. Like, we don't want to like extend it further when it's all like deactivated. We should be like, it should be basically less than that. Okay, so basically what I am doing is now, and I will also apply else condition. And what I'm missing here is, I don't think I am missing anything. Something like this, maybe. Let's check. Why it is giving me error, comma expected. I will just remove this for now. Okay, I will do set boxes previous state previous state dot map item return item dot id equal to click order counter. Why it is not working? What's the issue? What is the issue? This is what we have. This is what we have here, right? So what I want to do is, this is the timer, okay, and this is the deactivate. This is the timer one, okay. If it ends here, okay, what I want to do is, yeah, now what I will do is, yeah, so basically I will do set boxes previous state return previous state dot map item return item dot id equal to click order counter. What I'm doing is wrong, right? Why I'm not getting here? What's the issue here? Expected. What expected? I'm not getting any suggestions. I don't know why. False, else we have to keep it as item. But why I'm not getting suggestions? What I'm missing here? Do I need to add one more? What I'm missing here is, what I'm missing is, just need to give one braces, then one this, then one this. Maybe it is okay. I'll just do one thing. I will just give it as this empty thing, and one more I will give one more this one and one more this one. Yeah, now it's okay. So the whole thing was So now else set clear interval, we will do clear interval. Why it is not coming clear interval? Else clear interval, we will give timer. Okay, now I think it's done. Mainly what we have to do is also what we will do before, and we will give it as mtr as deactivate. In this one we will return clear interval, we will give it as a timer. Okay, so timer basically it will be this timer. Okay, clear interval is also taking timer. Now what I will do is, it should basically do the work now, I guess, and I will set deactivate to false now. Deactivate to false now, and right now I will check whether it is working or not. I think I have done all the things. Okay, I will click and check. Okay, some issue is there. Previous order is not iterable, const updated order. Previous order is not iterable. Why? I will do is if is previous order, I will push in that previous order dot push. Now I will check updated order is not defined. Previous order, whatever. Now what is the issue? Cannot read properties of undefined. What is undefined? Clicked order is an array, right? So why it is causing me issue? If previous order dot length. Okay, so if previous order dot includes. It is an array, right? So why it is giving me issue? I will see in the console. Okay, I will check in the console what is the issue now. I will do is I will refresh it. I will console.log clicked order. I will do is I will check it. Clicked order is an empty array, right? Whenever I click on that, it's coming undefined, index.8, undefined. Why it is coming undefined? Why it is not pushing basically? Cannot read properties of undefined. Index.8. Some issue is going on. What's the issue? Why it is coming undefined? Cannot read properties of undefined. Reading includes. Okay. Cannot consume error. Something is really long. Let me check what is the issue. What I will do is basically I will like push the ID if it doesn't includes. If previous order, what I will do, I will just make a copy of it. Updated order equal to previous order. We'll just previous order, I will do previous order. If I'm not getting suggestions also here. Updated order dot includes id. Not getting suggestions. I don't know why. What's the issue here? Updated order includes. If updated order doesn't includes, then what we have to do is if updated order doesn't includes this, what we have to do, updated order dot push. Okay, updated order dot push this id. Okay, I'll format document. Now I will check whether it's working. Previous order is not iterable. Console.log prevord your previous order. I will inspect what's the issue. Previous order array of 0 20 22 I guess. Okay, previous order. If updated order includes id, push. Doesn't include id, we have to push that. Previous order is not iterable. What I will do, I will just, for now I will push set clicked order. What I will do is not sure why it's happening. What I will do is I will return previous order comma id. Let's see if it is working. Set deactivate. What is the issue here? Okay, sorry. It doesn't deactivate. Okay, const if updated dot includes id. Okay, oh fuck, sorry. So main thing is I am not returning the updated, sorry. Yeah, so updated dot push id. Main issue was I was not returning updated. Return updated. The main issue was here, I was not returning the updated. I have to return it basically. So this was the main thing, I guess. I'll just refresh it whether it is giving me error or not. I'll just check something here I have to do. I have to do this. Now I will check whether it is working. not returning me. It's not returning. Set deactivate to true, and I'm returning the updated after all the things. Okay, should I return it outside? I have clicked on all the cells. I have to return it here only. First I will click on all the cells. अगर इस clicked है तो green, else false है, तो what I will do is make it false. Okay, is clicked, I will made it false. It's not returning. Okay, clicked order dot length. One more thing I have to do is class set clicked order to an empty. So now what I will do is am I increasing counter? Okay, I think I'm not increasing the counter, right guys? Yeah, I'm not increasing the counter, I guess. COUN counter plus plus. Should I check now whether it's working? It's not working. Oh, sorry. I have to increase it here only, I guess. Sorry. I will check now whether it is working or not. Also I will see what is the issue with this. Why it's not turning green? And some issue is there, some minor issue is there. I'm not figuring out what is the issue. What I will do is I will const t2 reset equal to clicked. I will just give it ID to reset. I'll just check whether it is working or not. Now I will see whether it is working or not. It's not working. Why it is not working? I've just given the counter variable. I have returned it. After returning it, I am making counter plus plus also. I have did all the things. I'm not sure why it is not running. I have set boxes previous state dot map item dot id equal to id to reset. This is the id to reset. Something to do with here only. It might be something to do. If updated. Now it will work. I guess. Yeah, now it is working. So that's it for the video.